Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Downtown Hull, in Gatineau, Quebec is a vibrant historic area that sits right by the Ottawa River, just across from Ottawa, Canada's capital. Hull has a fascinating history. The area was first settled in the early 1800s by Philemon Wright, an American pioneer who saw potential in the region's abundant timber. Wright's sawmill sparked the growth of a major logging and lumber industry here, shaping Hull's early economy. Hull quickly became a bustling town known for its mills, breweries, and other industries. One iconic spot in Hull is Brewery Creek. This creek winds through downtown Hull and has long been an important site. The area around Brewery Creek became home to one of Canada's oldest breweries in 1813, adding to Hull's industrial charm.
Thank you very much. Downtown
Hull is also known for its cultural landmarks. Right here, you'll find the Canadian Museum of History, which holds one of the most extensive collections of Canadian artifacts. The museum's modern architecture is striking, and it's surrounded by riverside trails, with gorgeous views of Ottawa and the Parliament buildings, across the river. Hull has a unique identity, blending the urban with natural beauty. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Hull, in Gatineau, Quebec.
Thanks for watching!